Hello guys, welcome to this channel, and in this video we are going to learn how to fix Carx not working or Carx not opening. So if you find any difficulty in your Carx game, what you have to do is this. First of all, go to your phone menu. So when you get to your phone menu, what you have to do is to search for a Play Store app. When you see your Play Store app, just click on it. So guys, when you come to your Play Store app, this is how it's going to look like. So what you have to do is to type in Carx. So when you type in Carx, it's going to appear over here. As you can see, we are going to focus on this Carx game. So when you find it difficult, what you have to do is to just tap on it. When you tap on it, you have to check this side. When you see play section like this on my phone screen, as you can see on my, so when you see play section like this, don't click on it. But when you see update over here, when you see this update, so when you see this word over here, then it means you have to click on it to update the app. After doing that, what you have to do next is for you to go to your phone menu and search for settings. So when you see your settings app, just tap on it like this. So when you tap on it, go to your apps or apps and notifications. So tap on the apps and notifications. After that, click on see all apps. So when you tap on see all apps, what you have to do is to search for your Carx. So when you can't find your Carx, or when your apps are a lot and you find it difficult, you don't want to scroll, what you have to do is to tap over here and search for Carx. So when you search for Carx, just tap on it like this. So what you have to do is to go to your storage and cache. So click on the storage and cache. After that, clear cache and also clear storage. So click on OK. So after doing this, what you have to do is to come here, go back and also click over here. So you have to click on the force stop section. So when you click on the force stop, you're going to see this. This is going to pop up. So what you have to do next is to click on OK. After doing this, you are done. After doing this, you've solved the problem. But what you have to do is to restart your mobile phone and go to the app. Log into the app after restarting your mobile phone. The restart, if you don't have restart on your phone, what you have to do is to just turn your phone off and turn it on again. After that, then launch into the app and you are free to go. Thanks very much for watching this video. See you in my next video.